Welcome back, guys, to CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about STX, STX, what's going on with this coin now. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you not skip the post because we got already in the altcoin playlist over than 200 videos for totally different altcoins with all accumulation distribution zones for the bull run. And for stocks, I made a video in June 2023. Of course, it's impossible to show you the video exactly on the day before or week before pump. No, I showed you the zone and I showed you the realistic zone for accumulation, for investment, not for trades, and the distribution zones. So here, this FIB is still relevant. It was a post in June. We traded around here. In a market, it's more than okay to buy this coin because we are inside 27 zone. Here was a brilliant time to buy because we traded under 27 zone, and I showed you everything with my custom indicator set. So from this low, January 2023, this talking pump at 500%, then we come back down again inside 27 zone. Here was a $1.30. Then we collapse it down here in June in a market. It's more than okay to buy 43 cents, bounce 87 cents, and then sweep this low, close full fill of this weekly gap, and almost touch 27 level once again, and continue insanely right up. The target absolutely still relevant because look, we almost touch 38. So this FIB absolutely relevant. All targets are relevant, And look, this was the top, $3.24. If we take a look, the highest point of the market cap, it was here in December 2021, 3.6 billions. Here, December 2021, so around here, 3.6 billions market cap at $3.24. Now the market cap at current moment $2.5 billion. Yes, and we have potential move much higher. So look how high we can pump. Firstly, it will be more than okay. At least withdraw initial deposit if you don't want to risk your money. From the lowest point at 61 low by FIB. This one $2.38 after 1,000% pump. $2.38. We'll see around the similar market cap like it was here at this point, but at 61 low by FIB, so $1 less. Then, of course, we don't have limits. When we're breaking out this high, we can form in the 1.61, 3 rise pattern, 1, 2, 3, 2,000% gains, or even 2.61 low by FIB, $6.92. So with, for example, $6.92, we will see around 10 billion market cap. Yes, it's possible for this token, that's why we hope you always have to build realistic price targets and even higher, because 10 billion market cap or even higher with 4,000% gains is more than real. That's why congrats everyone who accumulated inside 27 zone. Here, what we can see now on the chart with my custom indicator set, we traded under fundamental price. We rejected, pure rejection at take profit line. Then we collapsed it down once again to the fundamental price and the buy line. After that, we bounce. Some coins like Teller, TRB already hit this target. Some coin like Injective already hit this target. That's why, of course, we are now kind of overhyped it because I will be more than okay to see the rejection at $1.85 or $2.11, when we're gonna sweep this high. I would like to show you. We got this liquidity pool now, main one. So it's not so far from this sweep, from this current price. It's gonna be 10%, and then with the weak candle, we can test at 20% more. From $2.11, we can see the correction because here we got 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row green, and I would like to see that test and sweep this high, $2.11, or at least this one, $1.95, and then a little bit correction to this block. But of course, it's not unnecessary, so we will see this correction now. So under, we'll leave this block like support. So just mark your entry, because to buy this coin now or not, it's only up to you. I'm not touching the coins when we're out of 27 zone and out of accumulation stage. So now it's a bigger risk, you know, because here it's accumulation zone. It's more than okay accumulate between 36 and 56. But if, for example, we'll see the correction from even at from $1.93 to this monthly block to zero level, it's going to be 50% down. So I don't want to see this risk in my portfolio. That's why congrats everyone who follow the steps and track with my custom maker set the whale steps and accumulate inside 27 zone together with the whales. Trade on. Here we got a confirmation. So we got a last signal to sell, then new top, a close position, signal to buy on a weekly, signal to buy on a weekly, sell, recommendation, close position. Now you can step by step fix profit. So it was the perfect time to buy, and everything I showed you in previous main video. That's why I recommend you not skip the main post. So the reward is open to this target, and there's no guarantee. So we will see the correction now. No, we can trade, for example, in a sideways here and move higher. That's why I told you now it's kind of risky to jump into this coin because the risk reward I already showed you. For example, these guys already in profit around 700, and at 1.61 these guys will see the profit around 2000. But if you buy now, your profit will be only to 1.61 low by FIB to $4.65. Your profit from this current price will be only 162. So risk reward. That's a beauty of accumulation in zone of interest, in zone of accumulation. Let's take a look on money power. Yes, you can see the whales accumulated here. Money inflow, biggest money inflow was here after retest 27 zone. Now they fix profit, and it's more than okay to fix some profit. You know, the whales can push the price, yes, higher. 1.80, $1.84, $2.11, $2.38, and then see the correction. Now, yes, they fix some profit. It's more than okay. Monthly time frame also. The biggest for investors, money power, this indicator is just brilliant because you can track, for example, on a monthly time frame. If we are inside 27 zone, if you see the huge money accumulation, you know, it's great time to buy. And of course, if you see the signals confirmation on weekly, buy, close position, money inflow, a lot of confirmation was to buy this token. Personally, I'm not bought this coin because STX not in my portfolio, because we can't accumulate every single coin, you know. Here was also the depression zone, best time to buy. Now we are in distribution. So take a look. We are at the same level on market smooth, like almost we've been here in April 2021. Almost the same level. What happened next? You can see on the chart. Direction, yes, we still have a room for pump, continuation, and maybe then we'll see the signal to sell. It was a time to accumulate coin. Now no signal for accumulation at all. And imagine we never seen on ADZ the highest point like now in history. That's why it will be more than okay to see the correction down, some correction like this one up, and new all-time high, and for me the huge divergence. So guys, all zones I showed you, before where to accumulate. Now I remind you the zones were more than okay to fix a profit. You have to build a plan when to in and when to out. Don't need to chase the coins because you see the coin in the top gainers. So when the coin pumped, it's time to take some profit, not jump in because you see a coin in top gainers on a Binance or on any other platforms. So guys, always follow your plan. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. If you would like to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.